Very early in his career as a forester, Victor Schauberger recognized the great significance of the woodland in the never-ending water cycle. According to Schauberger, temperature differences play a crucial role in this process. In the shade of trees, the forest soil stays relatively cool. When warm rainwater hits the cooler soil, it sinks into the ground more easily, replenishes the water table, and comes back up to the Earth's surface some time later. It evaporates, clouds form, and then rains down again. Schauberger calls this the complete or full water cycle. But the full cycle is increasingly disrupted, for example by forest clearance. Without the tree covering, the ground is now warmer than the rain falling onto it. The rainwater does not penetrate into the ground, but flows along the surface into brooks and rivers, causing floods. On the other hand, the water table sinks. In summer, this surface water often evaporates from there, causing clouds to form and so leading to more rainfall. One flood leads to the next. Schauberger calls this the half-water cycle. On a hot plate, it can be seen in a dramatic demonstration how the drops of water roll off. In a similar way, it can also be observed on hot asphalt. Today, this is known as the problem of sealing of natural surfaces.